Welcome to our channel. Today we how to order OTC items with Molina Healthcare card, shopping guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have your Molina Healthcare card ready. Log into the Molina Healthcare website or open the Molina Healthcare app. Navigate to the section for over-the-counter, or OTC, items. Review the list of available OTC products. Check for any restrictions or guidelines regarding the items you can order. Make a note of the items you wish to purchase. Add your selected OTC items to your shopping cart. Proceed to the checkout page. Enter your personal information if prompted. Verify your address to ensure accurate delivery. Select your payment method if required, though many OTC items may be covered fully. Confirm your order and review the details one last time. Submit your order through the website or app. Keep an eye on your email for an order confirmation. If you do not receive an email, check your spam folder. Await delivery of your OTC items at the designated address. If you encounter any issues, contact Molina Healthcare customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.